Hi everybody, I just got a huge shipment in from ShopDisney. They were having a really big sale and I could not help myself, so I'm going to show you what I got. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this morning I just got 4 huge boxes and like 4.5 that was a small box and 4 big ones of all stuff from ShopDisney. They were having a ridiculous sale. Like, for example, there was these set of plates that I'll show you in a second that were normally $52, but they were on sale for $14, so I'm not really sure what was going on there, but I took full advantage of the situation. So yeah, we'll start out with, I got these plates. I'll show you them one by one. They come in a set of 4, and each one is different. So this one is Chip and Dale. They're like the size of like an appetizer or like a dessert plate. So you really couldn't fit like a whole meal on here, but it's really cute for appetizers or desserts. So that's that one, and then I just washed them, so they're a little wet. We have a Tinkerbell. And then it comes with a Bambi. And then it comes with Mickey and Minnie at the castle. They're really pretty. We got one whole box was just full of those plates. We got 4 sets of them, and we're gonna give some out as presents, and we're gonna keep one for ourselves. So that's the first thing. Second, my mom is addicted to puzzles, so she ordered herself some puzzles. I am not a puzzle person. I have no patience for it. But these are the ones that she got. This one is of Disneyland. It's like the outline of the park with all the lands and stuff. She got one last time that was of Disney World. Into that one, but this one might be a little harder because we've actually never been to Disneyland before. But it looks cute. It's 1,000 pieces. And then this one I've never seen before. This is a pin puzzle. So they're all supposed to look like little pins. I'm like, you are crazy. This looks super hard. Like, puzzles are hard for me regularly. Like, look at all the different faces. This is like a better look at the back of all the different pins. This one is only 750, so the pieces will be a little bigger. So that's a good thing. I couldn't do it. Second, this is the first Luca merchandise that I have seen or bought myself. And look how cute it is. Look at his little hair. I went to, every time I've been going to Disney since Luca came out, I have been searching for merchandise and I can't find it anywhere. I went to Epcot. I went to like Italy to like look for, because you know in each country they usually have like whatever movie is from that country. And I was like asking, like, you guys have any Luca stuff? And they're like, no, not yet. And they didn't have them in any of the stores. I did not go to Downtown Disney, so I'm not sure about that part. But, so I finally found some online, so I ordered it. I just think it's so cool. He's all shiny, has a tail. It's gonna look good with my collection. And then, because I'm a cup person, I could not resist myself. It's a Winnie the Pooh cup with all the characters, little rainbows. That's what inside of the cup looks like. Cute, right? And then we got some. I love the table that comes with it. Sometimes I keep it music for backgrounds in my TikTok videos. This, which is super cute, it's The Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh, and it's like a pin set, but it looks like an old VHS tape. So you kind of open it up like you would like a VHS tape, and these are the 2 pins that come inside of it. But the cool thing is this bottom one here is like resembling a VHS, and you open it like you would a VHS, and then inside it looks like a little VHS. I think that's so cool. These are limited edition too. Yeah. I wonder if there was any more. I only seen these ones, like other like pretend VHS tapes. And then I got some other pins. I got some up pins. I've never gotten up pins before, but they were on sale. So I got, they look like this. His little hammer moves too. Hold on, let me see if I can move it. Kind of looks like he's hit himself in the head, but that's alright. I have a thing for pins. I have a whole bunch of myself to put on anything, but I don't know. It's an addiction, I guess. And then I got these. They are sheets, but they're Haunted Mansion sheets. They have like the heads on them, singing heads. I have not opened these yet to see what it looks like in full. I might splice this video and like put them on my bed and then show you what they look like. That would be fun. I'm just thinking about if I should open them now. Let's see. Let's see what they look like. Move all this stuff forward to this side. Oh, they're soft. Wow, they're very soft. Okay, so this is a pillowcase. Oh wow, that's fun. Look at that. Try to slide it so you can see. These are perfect for Halloween. Is it the same pictures on the back? Oh no, they're different. Okay, on this side now. That's cool. There's two different sides to them. Wow, very cool. They're perfect for Halloween. Well, I like Halloween any time of the year, so I'm gonna put them on today anyways. I wonder what these look like. They look like the same things? Same pictures? Try to see if I can open this up without like... So that's kind of what the sheets look like. That's upside down. Let me fix that. Again, I'm gonna put them on my bed and then I'll show you like a video of me like a video or a picture of what it looks like fully on the bed. So that's cool. They're very soft. They feel like kind of silky. Yeah, silky is a good word. That's exciting. I didn't know what they looked like before I bought them, so I approve. And then I got Wishables, my favorite. I have so many Wishables. I don't know what to do with them. They're kind of like sitting on my shelves everywhere. I probably have, God, I had to put them in a box because I just find so many of them. I like the surprise factor, I think. I'm a very curious person, and I think that's my biggest flaw. So like if something is like a surprise pack, I can't help but to buy it. I bought one a few weeks ago of this one. I opened it on my TikTok channel and I pulled out this guy. So these ones are Star Wars Galaxy's Edge limited edition, the Smuggler's Run series attraction. You know, I've learned that all Wishables are kind of limited edition because once they don't sell them anymore, they don't sell them anymore, kind of like everything. But because right now you can't even find like the Snow White ones or really any of them. I found a Lion King one on ShopDisney and I got that for myself for Easter, but I feel like they're like selling out and they're maybe like gonna start putting out more. So if you see any of them, I would get them because again, they are limited edition. I've seen some crazy ones on eBay of ones that I have that people are selling for like $100, and I was like I have a Zorg Wishable. I think I have him stored away because I didn't know how valuable he was, but people are buying him on eBay for like $100. I was like, do I sell it or do I keep it? So I decided to keep it. I'm like, I don't know. Maybe one day if he's worth more than that. But I think I kind of like having it, knowing that like it's kind of rare because I guess not a lot of people have them. So if you have a Zorg and you want to sell it, go to eBay. Let's open up one of these now. Then I'm going to save these two for TikTok and for shorts. So I'll open up one now and see if I can guess. It kind of feels like it has a nose. If you're trying to find a specific one in the park, this is usually what I do. I kind of squeeze them all, and you can kind of tell motorcycles. Sorry, I don't know if you can hear that. So like say you like wanted to get the ship or the droid, like if you feel it as a nose, obviously it's not one of those two. So I'm guessing it's either this, the Porg, or the other person. Yeah, the other ones don't seem like they have. Alright, let's see. Yeah. They always look so funny. Oh, so that's what that one looks like out of the box. I was not expecting him to look like that. He's so small. That's so cute. Well, now I have two. Where'd he go? So I have these two. Now I just need the other two. So hopefully when I open the other ones up on TikTok. I hate when I get like doubles of them. Especially since I only order 4. So I have these. You can check these out on the shorts page or on my TikTok and you'll find out if I got the set or not. Well, that's all I got. Again, they're having a good deal. I don't know if they're still having it right now. I would check if you're interested. But yeah, thanks for going through my stuff with me. Check out my my shorts page playlist that I will put at the bottom, or my TikTok, because I did do some videos of me opening different things when I got the boxes this morning. Okay, great. Thanks, guys.